Hi, I am Michelle Anglisano, and I am the co-author of Methylation Madness: Insight into the Biochemical and Personal Lives of Hypermethylators. I am the co-author of this book that I wrote with Dr. Terence Doolin. Dr. Doolin is my orthomolecular biochemical nutritionist, and he has been treating me for hypermethylation and this MTHFR and COMT gene malfunctions for 30 years now. And I've decided that I was going to do a little bit of reading from our book. Today I am going to be talking about bilirubin and how bilirubin has a lot to do with hypermethylation. Bilirubin, from a metabolic standpoint, is the destruction of red cell hemoglobin. As a red cell dies, the body slices the cell open, allowing the hemoglobin to leak out. It is then converted to biliverdin and finally bilirubin. Since this occurs in liver and spleen, it is tested as part of the liver function panel. However, it can be caused by elevated and improper methylation from methionine. Dr. Doolin has personally run amino acid tests with this group of patients and found a majority of them have elevated bilirubin levels. Most very high, normal, or even out of range, as in Joubert syndrome. This is a clue to what is called hypermethylation in the person's body. So, on a normal blood chemistry report, total bilirubin levels in the top third of the range or higher are probably hypermethylating. Right here. The bottom range of this is probably hypomethylating, my daughter. As we look at the downstream effect of the MTHFR enzyme, its importance is modulated by the other genes. It can have effects on the system by disrupting that chain. If you produce low amounts of glutathione, then your body has immune system and detox issues. If cysteine production is low, then hair becomes an issue, as it is a major component of hair. If taurine is lower in its production, then your body will produce less bile acids and salts, making fat digestion an issue. The interconnection of these pathways can't be minimized. Methionine, in its SAMe form, will be a large modulator of your body functions. Let's look at a few to get the idea. If the SAMe is being overproduced, then too much could cause more methylation reactions to occur. If you look at the enzymes that use SAMe as their methyl donor, it makes sense how it can cause symptoms. SAMe is used by an enzyme called COMT. This enzyme, in its many different forms, breaks down hormones to control estrogen and testosterone loads in the bloodstream. That's me again. Too much activity and no hormones are left as they are broken down too quickly. Too low activity and the hormones remain in the system too long and cause things like estrogen dominance. The enzyme also controls the breakdown of neurotransmitters like dopamine, norepinephrine, epinephrine, serotonin, and histamine. The enzyme PNMT also controls the change of norepinephrine into epinephrine via SAMe methylation. So, with just these few examples, you can see how enzymes will cause symptoms in your body. Too much or too little, out of balance or in balance, they all are affected by this pathway, starting with the MTHFR. And that's a lot of confusing information. Even after 30 years, I still am not completely understanding of everything. But the program that I follow and have followed since I was 24 has made a tremendous difference in my mood, in my body functioning, um, in everything that I do. And it's just phenomenal what Dr. Doolin has done for me. So that is this little excerpt of the day. I hope this helps you.